Seventh reason why I don't think you should be married to a divorced woman is this, right? At the first sign of trouble, they are out. Guys, don't play with me on this. Don't try to reinvent the wheel, guys. I have been through this for y'all, and everything that I do is for you guys to learn from mistakes that I've made and from other people's made. Kevin Samuels, hell, he made the same mistake, right? They are out. Look, let me tell you what happened to me, right? I am now, but when I met my ex-wife, I'd been in business for many years, right? And guys, people that know me, I haven't worked for anybody in 10 years, but that's fine. But before COVID, business was booming, right? 3 years straight, like it was knocking out the park, no problem. But then COVID happened, right? And then, guys, I don't know if you remember, they shut everything down. So basically, I had an office in Maryland, Virginia, and in Atlanta. Everything was shut down, right? I couldn't work, right, for a year and a half, right? So before we got married for 3 years, everything was good. We get married. After that, we got married in 2019, end of 2019. 2020, I couldn't work. Guys, do you believe a year and a half later, she asked for a divorce? Why? Because of money. First sign of trouble, guys. They are out. They are not loyal to you. They are not faithful to you. They are looking for